Well, how does VLOOKUP in Excel with exact and approximate match? So VLOOKUP or vertical lookup is an Excel function that searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns related information from another column in the same row. First, VLOOKUP exact. As example, we have here a table that contains IDs, product names, and prices. And I want to use VLOOKUP to search for any ID to get the name and the price. To do that, we go first to the item name, type equal VLOOKUP, hit tab, and the first thing is lookup value. Here I type what I want to search for. For me is the ID, but I want to be more flexible, so I will choose a cell that when I type ID here, I get the name. Then hit comma. Second, we have to choose table array, is where the VLOOKUP gonna search for the ID that we're gonna type it here. So I'm gonna choose the entire table. And my table name is table 1 right now, so I will hit tab. Then comma. Next, we choose the column where the data will be returned from after the VLOOKUP do the search. For me, I want the item name to be returned in this cell, so we will choose the second column. We will hit 2, but we added number. Why is number? Basically, we count the columns until we stop at the column we want it to be returned. So, from the left to right, we count 1, 2. That's why we have 2 here, comma. We will choose approximate or exact match. For me, I want an exact match. Hit tab, close brackets, hit enter. It shows an error here because we choose this cell and it have no data for the VLOOKUP to search for. But let's add data and see what will happen. Let's type 1, hit enter, and we got laptop. As you can see, here is the ID and here is the name. Now we want to have the price. Almost the same thing by typing equal VLOOKUP, hit tab to choose, and then choose the same cell, comma, table array, hit tab, comma again. This time we're gonna choose the third column. Again, 1, 2, 3, hit comma, and again we choose exact match. Close brackets, hit enter, and we have here $800. Let's type another ID. Next, VLOOKUP approximate match is used when you want to find the closest value to your lookup value instead of an exact match. As example, we have here a table of scores and grades, and we want in this little box, when I type a score, I get a grade. To do that, type equal VLOOKUP, hit tab, choose the cell where we will add the score, comma, table array, and we choose the entire table. That will give me the table name, hit tab, comma, and we select here the number of columns we want our data to be returned from. Again, from left to right, 1, 2. We want the second column, so we hit 2, comma. This time we choose approximate match. Hit tab, close brackets, and hit enter. Now let's try to type a data and see what will happen. Let's type maybe 70. As you can see, 70 not existed in the table. But what VLOOKUP did? VLOOKUP approximate, basically it searches through the first column here, finds the largest value that is less than or equal to your lookup value. Important note, the first column for your table must be sorted in ascending order for this to work correctly. 70 here, it should be between 65 and 75. It always chooses the smallest, so it's always 65. Let's try again and hit maybe 80. And again it chose the closest and smallest one. And here you go.